To create copies and arrays in SketchUp, use the Move tool. Start moving an object, then press the Control key or Option key on a Mac to move a copy instead. In fact, you can toggle the option to make a copy on and off by tapping the modifier key. Remember, you can always be accurate with your copy by typing a specific distance, say 8 feet, and pressing the Enter key. To create an array, you make one copy, then tell SketchUp how many total copies you want. For example, use the Move tool to copy this column once. Then type 10x for 10 total copies. Press the Enter key to accept. When creating arrays in SketchUp, you can play with the number of copies made. Select these columns and copy them once. Then type 3x and press Enter. This isn't enough. Type 8x and press Enter. This is too many. Type 6x and press Enter. And we have the right number of columns. Be aware, however, that as soon as you pick another tool or perform any other action in SketchUp, you can no longer affect the array. So make sure to finish your array before moving on. As you've seen, you can create an array by typing a number followed by the letter X. This multiplies the array outward and is called an external array. You can also create an array that is divided between your copies, called an internal array. Copy this column some distance away and type 5 / and press the Enter key. This again creates 5 total copies, 1 at the end, and 4 divided equally between the outer columns. So just remember to make an array, copy one or more objects once, then type in a number followed by X or / to create an external or internal array. You can use the same logic with the Rotate tool to create circular arrays. Again, the important first step is to make one copy, pressing the Control key or Option key on the Mac while rotating an object to make a copy. Finish that copy and you can specify a number for an array. So we could copy this column once, say at 15 degrees, and type in 8x for an external circular array. Or we could copy the column once, 180 degrees away, then play with the number of columns between by typing 6 / Enter or 10 / Enter. Practice making your own arrays with both the Move and Rotate tools. And one final tip about copying and arrays. If you don't already know about components in SketchUp, we highly recommend you learn about components and recommend you bind your geometry together into a component before making copies and arrays. It will improve your efficiency and help keep your file size smaller.